I see you've got some dings and dents like everybody else in the state of California. This is evidence that you parked your car. Marco, just by chance, did you ever look into what it would cost to get one of these little dings or dents fixed?
I asked a buddy, he didn't really know. He said around 50, 70, 80.
A dime-sized ding or dent that can be fixed using the paintless dent repair process is about 50, 60, 70 bucks, depending on the severity of it. Some of the bigger ones might be $150. You've got 7 or 8 of them here, but you know what, Marco? You may have coverage that'll fix all of these dings and dents for you at absolutely no cost to you, dramatically raising the value of your trade-in. Did you happen to purchase, when you purchased this vehicle, a paintless dent repair policy?
I don't believe I did.
Okay, that's unfortunate, but hey, not to worry. You'll be glad to know that the new Mercedes-Benz you're looking at comes with paintless dent repair coverage, complimentary for the first 6 months. And by the way, if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, and I'm pretty sure you do, you can always extend that coverage. Just check with PJ or one of her people, okay?
Okay.
All right, what have I just done right there?
Put more value in the car that he's buying.
I put more value in the car than he's buying. What else?
He valued his car.
Did I say a bad word about it?
No.
I educated him, and what else did I do?
Indicated.
You help finance.
I help finance. This is how we do it. And I'm also shooting super straight.